How to make tasty cheeseburger. Start by placing around 150 grams of ground beef into a mold and pressing it down. Heat some oil in a pan and cook the patty, seasoning with salt, garlic powder, and pepper. Once the patty is cooked, place a slice of cheddar cheese on top and let it melt. Meanwhile, slice the tomato into thin rounds. Chop the onion. And prepare the lettuce. In a bowl, mix mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, and chopped pickles to create the sauce. Spread the sauce on the bun. Add the lettuce, tomato, and onion. Then place the cheesy patty on top. Cover with the second bun and enjoy your homemade cheeseburger.